Hey cruisers, so picture this. You're walking onto the cruise ship, you're holding your carry-on, you're surrounded by people, there's music playing, and the lobby's buzzing, it's super loud, and you realize, wait, what now? I remember that feeling on my very first cruise. I was excited, but also totally overwhelmed. I had no idea what I was supposed to do next. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do after I board a cruise ship. It's simple, it's a little routine I've built over time that keeps me relaxed and helps me ease into vacation mode without all the chaos. And before we jump in, if you're into cruise tips, travel hacks, and behind the scenes advice from someone who lives for this stuff, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. All right, first things first, the muster drill. It's mandatory, it's safety regulated, and honestly, it's usually quick. Most cruise lines now let you do part of it in the app, and then you just go check in with the muster station that you have been assigned to. I always get this done as soon as possible. That way I'm not hearing, "Attention guests, please come to your muster station," over and over again while I'm trying to chill. On one of my earlier cruises this year, I had heard people were putting it off, and literally they were paging people by names, and I thought, oh my gosh, how embarrassing. It's quick, it's painless, and once you're officially done, you can relax. Next up, I always find a spot that I can decompress in, because cabins usually aren't ready yet. That's why I bring a little carry-on with everything I actually need for the first few hours, like a swimsuit, sunscreen, a phone charger, motion sickness meds if you think you might need it, and yes, snacks. I don't cruise without snacks. Depending on the ship, I'll find a quiet lounge or a sunny spot by the pool and breathe. No need to rush. You made it. Just take it in. Okay, real talk. Everyone rushes to the buffet, and I get it. It smells amazing, and you're probably starving by then. But here's the thing. It's chaos on day one. Instead, I like to look for a sit-down restaurant that's open, or even a grill up on the deck. There's way fewer people, and it feels so much more relaxing than dodging elbows for mashed potatoes. You're on vacation, and lunch shouldn't feel like you're at a food court stampede. After lunch, I like to go exploring the ship. It's still pretty empty still, so it's perfect time to walk around. I pull up the cruise app or grab a map, and I start finding things. Where's the spa? Where's the dining room I'm going to be assigned to? Where's the good coffee? I even peek into lounges or walk on the promenade deck just to get a feel of where everything's at, so that later in the week when it gets crowded, I feel like I have my bearings. Now here's a tip that saved me more time than once. Make your reservations early. Spa treatments, specialty restaurants, comedy shows, they can fill up fast. I once waited to book a massage until day 3. The only time left, literally, was when we were docked in the Bahamas. Yep, nope, didn't work out that time. So now I get it done right after lunch while I'm still in exploration mode. Some ships even let you do it all in the app, which makes it super easy. At this point, your cabin should be ready. That's when I officially shift into vacation mode. I like to unpack everything on the first day. I like to unpack the whole suitcase, not just the stuff I think I actually need, but I like to get it cleaned up and off the floor. Then I change into my comfy clothes, grab my water bottle or a fruity drink, and either go sit on the balcony or find a cozy spot on the deck to just exhale and relax. For me, that's when the real cruise starts, that moment where you're not thinking about work or flights or packing, just the ocean, the breeze, finally being on vacation. So that's how I roll on embarkation day. Nothing fancy, just a few small steps that help me avoid the crowds, relax early, and settle in without stress. If this helped you out, hit the like button, share your own day one rituals in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got tons more cruise tips, gear guides, and travel stories coming your way every single week. Thanks for hanging out, and until next time, smooth seas and happy sailings, my friends. Bye.